Hello everyone and welcome to Gen X English classes with Prashanti Kataria. Today I'm going to talk about one effective speaking skill, what you can start practicing right from and in this video, right? So before I start talking about effective speaking skills, I'm going to ask one question, right? And answer that question to yourself. Got it? Now, my question is, tell me something about yourself or something you like and something you actually wish or you dream. What is it? Okay. Yes. Now, I can hear the answers. And the answers are coming up like, yes, I have a very big friend circle. I love my family. And I take care of my kids. They are very loving, very good. And but sometimes what I like is when I'm just driving the car, when I stop, I look out of the window of the car and I see much more costlier and bigger car. At that time I just think, काश ये कार मेरा हो जाए. Or I just go by a bungalow road, right, and I just see some bungalow there and I just like, काश ये मेरा हो जाए. Got it? So, and the other things what I actually like is freaking out with parties. I like to eat junk food and I take some liquids too, right? And now, what are all this? These are our good and bad habits, what we are talking about, right? It may be yours, it may be mine. Got it? But now, when anything is in excess, right, it turns into our fantasies and addictions, right? Dreaming big is very good. I dreamt of a big home, right, and I did it. Okay, and I dreamt of traveling in the first class. Yes, and I did it. Got it? So this is dream. We all have to dream big. And when it comes to wish, काश ये मेरा हो जाए, काश वो गाड़ी मुझे मिल जाए, काश वो बंगलो मुझे मिल जाए, काश मुझे लॉटरी लग जाए. What are those? Those are all our fantasies and addictions which are beautifully decorated and plated in a silver plate and served to us. Right? This is how when we answer when somebody asks us such kind of questions. Generally, as a friend, there's no issue in that. Right? Got it? And the next question what I'm going to ask you is, before that I want to ask you something first. Yes, now, when I'm talking about my likes, my dislikes, right, what is happening to me? The external factors are hitting my mind, right? Fantasies, addictions. Got it? And now I'm going to ask you one question. Talk about the person who have taken care of you when you were a child. Talk about your fondest childhood memories with that person. Yes, answer. Give the answer to yourself. No external factors hit us when we are answering this question. Right? No external power, no external addictions and fantasies hit our brain. At times they say, right, ये दिमाग से बात करती है. Got it? सो हमें सोचना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में कि हम इसकी बात सुने ना सुने. बट वन थिंग व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, now I will tell you what is effective speaking skill is. I asked you the second question about your fondest childhood memories. No external factor can hit you. Got it? And the next thing, when you answer this question, right, you put out your heart into words while you answer this question. Right? Why not we answer in the same way the other questions too? I know it is not as simple as it is sounding, but then we can try, we can practice, right? When we put our words heartfully, when we take out our heart and put into our words, right? When we speak, when we ask, when we give, and what we give, what we ask, is the things what we receive. Got it? So this is the step. First step to be an effective speaker. Put your heart into words. And definitely it's going to work out. You will change. You will change from a spirit to a dove. You will change the people around you. Do that. Try this. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video.